If you've tried to wrangle together a group of friends for game night, you know running an event is stressful. Adding a bunch of different, single-use tools into the mix can make it even harder to promote the event, finalize your guest line, and create an experience folks actually want to attend. Wish there was an all-in-one event management platform that let you create, organize, and promote interactive events stress-free?
Yes! Today I will discuss such software.
So, let's get started. The software that I will discuss today is Holacon. Holacon makes it easy for you to host, manage, and promote awesome events with interactive elements to keep attendees engaged, all from one dashboard. Features: encourage your attendees to explore the virtual expo areas on Holacon and connect with exhibitors. Let attendees expand their network, exchange ideas, and make meaningful connections. Create a personalized and seamless registration experience with custom registration forms. Experience the excitement of live events with Holacon's immersive web application. They combine event management technology, smart attendee apps, and marketing tools into one simple smart solution. They provide solutions for any size event, whether you're hosting a small meetup or planning a large congress, and more. Price: starter, unlimited events, 100 registrations per month, 480 minutes per month, and one team member for $49 per month, billed monthly, and $490 per year, billed annually. Growth: unlimited events, 200 registrations per month, 200 abstracts per month, 960 minutes per month, 10 gigabytes recording storage, and 2 team members for $99 per month, billed monthly, and $990 per year, billed annually. Pro: unlimited events, 400 registrations per month, 400 abstracts per month, 1,440 minutes per month, 10 gigabytes recording storage, and 5 team members for $199 per month, billed monthly, and $1,990 per year, billed annually. And business: unlimited events, 700 registrations per month, 700 abstracts per month, 1,920 minutes per month, 10 gigabytes recording storage, and 10 team members for $299 per month, billed monthly, and $2,990 per year, billed annually.
But they have 3 lifetime deals.
Single: 1 team member, 100 free registrants per month, 480 live stream minutes per month, 6 speakers per room, and a social hub for $49 instead of $588. Double: 2 team members, 200 free registrants per month, 960 live stream minutes per month, 8 speakers per room, social hub, 10 gigabytes of recording storage, 200 abstracts per month, abstract management, digital attendee badge and badge printing, and surveys for $98 instead of $1,176. Multiple 1. 5 team members, 400 free registrants per month, 1,440 live stream minutes per month, 10 speakers per room, social hub, 10 gigabytes of recording storage, 400 abstracts per month, abstract management, digital attendee badge and badge printing, surveys, and polls for $147 instead of $1,764. And multiple 2. 10 team members, 700 free registrants per month, 1,920 live stream minutes per month, 12 speakers per room, social hub, 10 gigabytes of recording storage, 700 abstracts per month. Abstract management, digital attendee badge and badge printing, surveys, polls, parallel live stream sessions, seating planner, and promotion, distribution and tracking for $196 instead of $2,352. Customer review: they have only 5 reviews on the Appsumo.
That means this is completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today.
Remember to comment if you need a review of any software.
Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us.
See you in the following video. Thank you.